Are you bored? Do you have a lack of energy? Do you feel endlessly tired? Do you find it difficult to get off the couch? You don't need a doctor to tell you that geocaching might be for you.
I don't?
He doesn't?
No, geocaching is something for all. Harnessing the use of orbiting satellites of Global Positioning System with your mobile device or receiver, participants of geocaching hide and seek containers. The geocaches or caches are at specific locations marked at coordinates all over the world. It's an incredible outdoor recreation activity. Who wouldn't want to explore the world in such an awesome manner? As of this moment, there are more than 3 million geocaches hidden all over the planet.
Over 3 million?
Yes, 3 million. And there's probably one hidden in your neighborhood too. Sign up, load your receiver, or open the app and get geocaching today.
Before beginning to geocache, talk to friends about addictions. Geocaching can be addictive. You might find it hard to stop. Some people may become incessant hiders, feeling the need to fill every possible hiding place with a cache. Some may be compelled to find a cache every day of the year. There's no need to consult a physician, but you should be aware other hobbies will get in the way of geocaching. Engaging in geocaching may cause your behavior to change. You might realize there is a world outside of your house. Breathing may become easier with increased inhalation of fresh air. If you lose pens easily, you may have difficulty with this hobby. If you notice a decrease in anxiety, agitation, depressed moods, do not stop geocaching. These changes are normal and to be expected. If you notice swelling of the face, neck, hands, or legs, you may have come in contact with poison ivy. This is a natural side effect of geocaching. It happens. Get over it. Sleep might be interrupted by the occasional FTF notification. This is normal if notifications are turned on and you're into FTFs. The most common side effect is joy and may also be accompanied with fulfillment, excitement, and a sense of accomplishment and happiness. Additional side effects may include an increase in friendly relationships, group activities, increased sociability, and the desire to attend more events with people.
Geocaching is for you.
Oh, it's a rainbow.